Come on!
Do you know what? I don't know if I can go much quicker. I kind of want you to be nice to me, and let's pretend that your first race, even though it was failed, it's one each.
Mate, I'll give you the one each that I just sat there and done nothing. So we'll call this decider. So it's 1-1. Do you know what? I was looking for you. I couldn't see you. You're in my exact blind spot, which is really strange because I was thinking, uh-oh, where is he? Where is he?
Honestly, I've got a massive grin on my face. I'm totally buzzing off of this. It's such an experience, like smacking the gears home. I think my problem is trying to launch it at the same time as Yanni, because he can time it so well. It's harder with this manual, so I'll give it a go. This is proper getting my heart pumping. Oh, because there's so much to do. It's a challenge. People say launching in a straight line is easy, but there's quite a bit going on with this. Right.
No pressure, mate.
It's a decider. Don't flop now. Don't get nervous.
He's trying to psych me out.
Come on! Come on! Come on, Lambo power! Come on! Come on! Mate, you jumped. Steward's inquiry. Can you see if Matt jumped, please? You jumped. I don't care. Stewards, please, tell me.
Yeah, Matt, you jumped.
Oh, I'm not going to go quicker than that.
Don't try it.
Can we just have one more?
Mate, I'll do this all day long with you, mate. I love this car.
Do you know what, Yanni? I'm not going to get much better than that. You did win, but it's not by a lot, is it?
It's not by a lot, but a win is a win. So that's, what's that, 3-1 to me, yeah?
Yes.
And the one that I won, you didn't actually drive it.
Oh well.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Lamborghini won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 10.7 seconds. The Toyota took 11 seconds.